Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Mapagania, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. With me, Petu Chairman. Chairman Umnandi.
Imnanda Chairman akunjani?
Mnandi Chairman. We just saw the boys. It's a 0-0 draw. Thoughts on the game namhlanje?
Chairman sinama mixed feelings. Yabo. Ama mixed feelings awani besitshela ukuthi siyarapha fanda thina njengama supporters ama player ne management yonke besitshela ukuthi fanda siyarapha, and then next week sekuyindaba nje yokuphusha ilokhuzana isweka lembombela yabona. But ke awuthami uyazi ukuthi la kuse university, it's a big institution. La mawungenile umani udouble up uphuma ngembobo yena lithi kwenzakaleni today. Lamajita lawe ezenge plan ukuthi yazini labantu badlala ngelo block sibadlala ama troopers bebangekho yabona besidlalela sodwa. It's just that nathi ke phambili besi unlucky because amajita ethu mawethu ayashaya azama ukushaya ama long ball ayaphezulu ama long ball abo, mara labantu besibahlanganisa lapha emuva ukuthi at least singakhona ukuthi sibabhoboze, mara kwalile awuthami and ukwala kwakhona akusho ukuthi mhlambe sesingalahli hope. Leligi lesisuka kude nayo mfethu dala iloku igaya abantu ama doubt along the way. Uyabo baloku ba doubt babuye babe grand, ba doubt babuye grand. Namanje mfethu akuna next, it's one game at a time. It's ilokhuzana one game at a time, and then igame esibhekile manje igame yokugcina sembombela ukuthi sikwazi ukurep up embombela siphakamisa cup kusaselethu mfethu akumelanga sipress ama panic button. Mangathi ublame le intwana namhlanje ayikho into ozobe uziblemelana ziye full force. Ucoach uqale ngelokhuzana neformation yakhe ahlala idlala 4-3-3 bekaphekthile mfethu, back four yakhe ihlala injalo beyimnandi abotho bebakhona usibelebele ucaptain my captain uyabona beyiphelele mfethu. Ushintshe lapha phakathi afaka lentwana uslap, nayo lentwana uslap azange flop iphakamisile isandla until bayikhipha nombuthuma ke waphuma ngeinjury. So angeke ngize ngithi ucoach uflopile, angeke ngithi lentwana ayiflopile kwale nje ukuthi mfethu ediskini kune win kune draw kune lose, but never mind ukuthi kunani ediskini ilokhuzana ibhethwe yona uthami eyebhakaniya lisiya
Petu Pagania coach. Coach, when I chairman, sibonile namhlanje beautiful the ngamapagania aveli there was a sold out affair. Awukhulume namapagania chairman. Le arenas funa ukuthi igcwele kanje even during the season, not only nge last game of the season.
No, awuthami mangiringa ivar ngama supporters eBhakania throughout the year. Yeah. They are the best supporters in South Africa. You understand awuthami labantu laba ama supporters eBhakania bekwala bathi game bengolwesithathu besiza la earena sishaya arena igcwala. You understand? So ama supporters eBhakania adinga ilokhuzana now mfethu ukurecognize for the season, the entire season, the way ba support iclub yabo ngakhona. If you can sit down ubheka ama sold out abawashayile throughout the year, you can see ukuthi lamajita lawa welokhuzana we Pagania yiwo asupporte kakhulu. Into ekumele siyazi nje awuthami thina ama supporters ukuthi ama champions ama champions akusabantu that they are always complaining. Champions are celebrating. Today's shy draw is still 1 point, essence ukuthi sibe 2 point behind Mamelodi Sundowns, although sazi ukuthi masiyovala mele sivale nge 3 point ayikhenye. Awuthami into engichazela iBhakania ucoach wethu, you'll never hear him complain njengamanye ama coach. Angeke ngwabala ukuthi mapha ama coach. You understand? But ke khona into esingayibheki thina amajita sesikhuluma ngama supporter because uze ma supporteni. Thina ama support idisk sizolibulala. Why sizolibulala? Sithanda ukuthena iblack eye if it's not your team. For an example ngokudobhela ezi2 bekhalwa ngepenalty kaSibelebele last week. Le out le judge le ya penalty kaSibelebele le yabathi the soft penalty ile out le eyayekela uTito bamhlabe FNB bamusa lapha yana 18 Sundowns athatha ibhola interceptor bashaya igoli kwaba yi2. The very same ref azange bakhale ngalesa sikhathi lesiyana because bekweyabo mase kweyeBhakania mele kukhale manje ibhola masilibheka kanjalo silibheka ngokuthi ufavor lizosikhawathi awuthami, and mangabe mfethu sizokhala ngefatigue vele singayi ku-CAF sifocuseni kulokhuzana kuleague yethu because you know ukuthi you are not strong enough ukuthi ungashaya i-CAF nelokhuzana neleague ngesikhathi esi1. But in terms of supporters aweBhakania I big up awuthami abantu beBhakania bayisupport iBhakania. Yeah.
Last question, Chairman. Obviously we're going to play against Obit, and then we likely going to face a low block again. How are we going to break this low block, Chairman?
No lapha soya ngama gun blazing awuthami nala yabona nala size sitshela ukuthi labantu sifuna ukubabhoboza but kwalile lapha yana awuthami kusho ukuthi do or die ophukayo uzophuka olimalayo uzolimala lapha yana mfethu songena siyofa lapha yana mfethu embombela nathi siyolwela sama supporter self lapha yana kunakuthi sobuya ne draw or lose lapha yana sobuya nelokhuzana uthami ne win but le draw yanamhlanje vie iyenze emzansi kwabamnandi uthami khumbula ukuthi iPirates is against iGNU and iGNU ihlala ikhuluma ngePirate bazo draw bazoyiluza bazoyidraw bazoyiluza kube sithathile fanak next week bekuzoba ngathi kushoniwe emzansi let them talk again basilolela ukuthi at least siye ku final game simnande masifika lapha sobabhoboza uthami
Thank you, Chairman.